Hello everyone, this is Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and in today's Tuesday tip tutorial, I want to share with you a tool that's been in Illustrator for a long time. I don't even know if it's been since the beginning, and I don't know many people using it. I actually don't use it as often as I should, so I'm doing this video for myself as a reminder and for you if you don't know about this tool so you can discover it. All right, so let me share with you my screen. We're going to go to Illustrator. Here we have it. And I'm going to show you how to use the shape builder tool, which is this one here, to create this cloud that we're seeing in the example. So I'm going to be using the ellipse tool to create some circles. I'm going to repeat some of them. And then here we can have a small one. So here we have like what could be the base of a cloud, right? And an option could be to use Pathfinder to create this cloud, but we can also use these tools. So if we click on it and then we go over the area and we can do it in multiple clicks or all in one, it quickly joins it into one shape. And now we have the perfect shape for that cloud with just dragging that tool. Isn't it amazing? Can you think of ways you can use these on your illustrations in Adobe Illustrator? Let me know in the comments if you have ever heard of this tool, if you knew about this and totally forgot, like me, or if you have never heard of it and you plan to use it. I would love to read your comments. And as always, I will see you next week with another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!